In this tutorial, we'll learn the update statement in SQL. The update statement modifies existing records in a table by changing the values of one or more columns in selected rows. The update statement selects the table to modify, uses set to assign a new value to a specific column, and uses the where condition to determine which record or rows should be updated. In this example, we will update the finance table by changing the amount column value to 5,000 for the specified record using the update statement. This statement updates the amount column in the finance table by setting its value to 3000.00 for the record where the transaction ID is 101. Let's take a look at it again. The update statement changes the value of a specific column in an existing record that matches the where condition. In this example, the amount value is updated to 3000.00 for the transaction with transaction ID 101. You have completed the tutorial on the SQL update statement. You now know how to modify existing records by changing specific column values based on a condition.